DS diving service here at the vessel sister ship. It is Thursday, I believe the maybe 9th. This boat was cleaned by Zach yesterday. I'm coming to take a look at it. Also, there was this zinc on your platform, so I'm going to say he swapped the shaft zinc out. You can see it looks like there's plenty of material, but actually where it connects right here, you can see it has worn through, so it's most likely going to sling off of your shaft. Alright, let's take a look, see how good it looks or how bad it looks, and then I will comment after I've done that. No barnacles on that trim tab. The dust does come back very quickly. It will be dusty in one day, but you said there was large barnacles. No barnacles now. I can almost guarantee you in 1 month's time there will be barnacles. Let's look at the bottom side of it. Okay, gonna go look at the other trim tab. Also, no barnacles on this one. Let's look at the bottom side of it and see. No barnacles there. Let's go look at your prop and rudders. That was clayed. Let's look at the next one. That one's also clayed. So, what I'm going to do is when we're out here exactly a month, I'm going to come show you just how many barnacles will be on those things in 1 month's time. Maybe I'll be able to convince you that the barnacles grow a little faster than you believe they do. Alright, thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.